Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a first look at the all-new Peugeot 208. So this is the new generation, very attractive looking car, sits on the new platform, and it will be a tough opponent for, you know, Renault Clio, Volkswagen Polo and all the other cars in this small city class. So let's start with the exterior design, and it's obvious that there were some, inspiration from bigger model, the 508. So as you can see, the front headlights very nice with this, vertical lines here, indicator also, and very interesting daytime running lights. They're huge, they're like half a bumper, and well, yeah, it's very interesting. This is the GT line, so it has the massive grille with black chrome here. Let me show you the car from here. Interesting thing is that you will get the petrol engines, the diesel one, and also the electric, the fully electric model is already there. I don't know if you can see it. So that's the E208. But let me show you the car from the side. And sorry, it's really crowded here in Geneva. So this is the way it looks from the side. It is cool, definitely. So look at this detail, the black wheel arches. But it's time to move on to the side of the car, and this is really crowded. Okay, so this is the back of the car. So just look at this, very nice detail. Connected taillights, which are not actually connected, but they are connected with this black surface similar we saw on the 508. And you have these Peugeot letters here, nice sign, illumination. It's tremendous, it's really good. So look at this. Also, it's nice to see the real exhaust here. And well, yeah, I will try to open the trunk now. Okay, I do believe it's 311 liters, so not the most spacious one, but it's still okay, and it's, decent amount of space. But now, one of the maybe even key elements of this car will be its nice interior, and let's jump in a second. Okay, so time to jump inside. First of all, nice materials here. Then let's move on inside. So you have the digital dashboard, the new latest generation of the iCockpit, and I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's actually the 3D. So this is the world debut of the 3D digital dashboard in Peugeot, and it's crazy, really good looking. And look, this is the city car, so it looks much more advanced and much more prestige. I'll show you. See, here you have some buttons for some of the controls of the AC, indicators and so on, but here you have the main screen in the middle. Also you have a very small steering wheel. Different driving modes can be put here, and here you have the projection of the driving modes, so sport, normal and eco mode. And I think that Peugeot really did a great job with this one, and it's going to be a tough job for all the other competitors to compete with something like this. So let's go here again, show you the front. So really impressive car. Tell me in the comments what you think. Would you take this or the new Clio? I will also do a review of the Clio, so you know, search for it on my channel and tell me your thoughts. What do you think? Is this better, or do you prefer the new Renault Clio or maybe some other model in this range? Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more car reviews. And that's it for now. Bye from Geneva, and I'm gonna say goodbye and walk around the stand for you to see the other versions of the car. So, and also I'll explain. So this is the, as you can see, E208, so fully electric one. Then here you have also the electric one in nice blue shape, blue color, sorry. Now here we have a gray one, which looks cool. I would even maybe go for the gray one. And the most, you know, playful one, most colorful one is this. So the yellow one, GT line also, that looks very nice. Which one is your favorite? That's the question. Okay guys, so with that, time to say goodbye now. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and well, yeah, see you on the next video. Bye bye.